Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an extended frontal ponytail, and if you would like to see how to achieve this look, stay tuned to the end of the video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to help on the road to 1K. It's free. Today we have Lee with us, and I started by washing her hair off camera, and now I'm blow drying her hair, and I'm going to start straightening the hair once it's completely dry. To get the hair silky straight, I'm going to use my Baby Bliss comb and heat protectant spray to part section by section until the hair is completely straight. Of course, all of the products I'm using in today's video will be in my Amazon storefront. Click the link in the bio to check it out. Once the hair is pressed, you're going to want to take your Got2b gel and gel those edges back to make sure that they're all out the way for your ball cap. Once you have all your baby hair slicked back, we're going to put the hair in a slick low pony. Once you got that ponytail ponying, it's time to get to work on that ball cap. I am using my Ruby Kisses caps and I'm cutting out the ear tabs. I'm using my bow hold and Got2b spray to secure the cap on her head. Once we're all done with that, I'm going to put Lee under the dryer for 15 minutes. Once she's all dry, it's time to snip and cut all that excess cap off of her head. The makeup that I am using on Lee is the Ruby Kisses palette number 9, and I am using the left side. The hair we are using today is Vanity Affair Co Transparent Frontal, and as you can see, I cut the back of the frontal off just so that the frontal ponytail can lay even flatter. Once the cap is all sewn down, I am cutting the excess cap off the back so that we can go ahead and start laying the frontal. But before laying the frontal, we definitely have to clean the skin. Make sure that you clean the skin so that everything lays perfectly. It's time to start positioning the frontal onto her head, and once the frontal is positioned into the spot that you like, you're going to want to sew the back of the frontal down so that everything can be nice and secure for the client. Here I am just showing you guys how to sew the back of the frontal onto the ball cap. Make sure that you sew that frontal on nice and tight. The glue that I am using today is Hair by Erica J, Hold Me Down, and before I am just using her lace protectant spray. I applied 4 to 5 layers for maximum hold. Before laying the frontal down, I do cut the ear tabs out. I typically do this beforehand, but all you have to do is part the section out and cut the ear tabs. Once that is done, I finish applying my last layer of glue, and now it's on to laying that lace down once that glue is all dry. Once that glue has adhered to that lace, I use my comb to press it on in and use my blow dryer to make sure the lace is secure. Once that is done, I use my vanity lace melt band to tie the hair down, and I let that dry for a few minutes. Now that we have that lace melting, it's time to get to work on the frontal and make from Humpty Dumpty to the flat flat, okay? You know how we do. Once you got that frontal on flat, it's time to part the section off in the back so that it can look real nice and natural. Now that we have that all sectioned off, we're going to come back to that later and take the melt band off and start cutting that lace off. We are using Vanity transparent lace. This lace is destined to melt every single time. We are using our razor and our scissors to just cut that lace properly. And if you want to get a discount code on the hair, you can use coupon code YouTube on our website, vanityaffairco.com, and save. Once we have that lace all cut off, per usual, we're going to use our Fantasia to melt that lace even further. But before we apply the Fantasia, we're just going to use our makeup and blend it on the lace. The Spritz and melt band is working that magic on that lace. We're just going to work on the ponytail some more, hot combing the hair directly, and we're going to re-put the hair in the ponytail. Yes, the ponytail is not perfect from the first try. Sometimes you have to do the ponytail multiple times, and that's okay. After we're done with that, we're going to section the baby hairs off. After going for round 3 of melting, because it's never too much melting, we're going to start working on the baby hairs. I am going to pluck the baby hairs so that they can be a bit thinner, and use my scissors to cut the baby hairs in a vertical direction. Once the baby hairs are sliced, it's time to curl them bad boys on back and get to work with my brush, brushing them into place. we got the baby hairs to our liking, we're going to start molding the ponytail. Once you have the ponytail molded to your liking, you're going to want to use your wax strips and just secure that ponytail while you braid that braid on back. Today we are doing an extended ponytail, so I'm just going to braid her hair and then I'm actually going to sew the ponytail onto her hair. The hair that we are using is Vanity Affair Vein Straight bundles, and we're using it in the inch 18 inch. If you would like to purchase this hair, you can purchase it on our website. The great part about sewing the ponytail on is that it's super secure, and if the girls want to tussle, they can. Have at it. And again, if it's like for a dance team, if you dance, or if you just do anything super athletic like what they, your ponytail is still right and secure. It's helping me keep the tracks from being all twisted. Make sure y'all get y'all a client that's helpful, okay?
I got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. Oh, shit. Good gracious. Staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Need your information, take vacation to Malaysia. You my baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She swallowed the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Walking my mansion, 20,000 painting Picasso. Be dipping Devin like a nacho. Took up a pen and diamond dancing like Rick Ricardo. She having it with the color working on the bachelor. I know you got a pass, I got a pass, it's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, but I'm out of it. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide, oh yeah. Whatever comes too quick.
Ponytail is all done and secured, and look at it, pony. Yep. Now it's time to curl that bad boy. If you want to get some naturally quality hair, shop the brand, y'all. I'm telling y'all, Vanity don't miss. I am using my Baby Bliss iron to just add some curls to the bottom of the hair so that it can have a super cute soft curl look. Make sure the curls hold. I am holding them in my hand a bit until they cool, and I'm using my Sebastian shaper just to make sure that everything is all nice and neat.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. Jumping peas. Drop the data, now we planning. Excited peas. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push P, I'm pushing P.
Once we're all done curling the ends, we are going to take a piece from the back and use that to wrap around to cover up that track.
Private suite, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Pushing P. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace.
Switches up on your blickies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you
Once we're all done with the ponytail, you're going to want to cut the wax strips off. It's time to add the last little embellishes to the style, like curling the other side, making sure everything looks cute, and adding that concealer and black spray to the part so that it's nice and neat. Also brushing the baby hairs out. And this is what the finished look looks like. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I love the way this look turned out. I thought it was super cute and sleek. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning into this video. See you on the next one.